How to insert video in PowerPoint in 3 ways. Now, there are a couple of ways in order for us to be able to insert videos here in PowerPoint, and I'm going to show you all of them. So, the first one being is from your PC. Now, if the video is in your PC, you can just go ahead and click the insert button here, head over to Media, Video, and then choose this device. And then from here, what you can do is basically locate your footage or your video, and then select it just like so, and then you can go ahead and resize it. It's say for example just like that. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the middle, or you can also go ahead and basically let your PC or let your PowerPoint design it for you. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one right here just like so. You can definitely do that. Now another way is from the stock footages. Now how do we do this one? We can just go ahead and click insert here, click media once again, video, and then we have stock videos here. So this is going to load, but you will be able to select here all videos that you can use freely for your presentation. Now you can go ahead and use the search bar as well in order for you to be able to search for something. For example, I'm just going to add this one, click insert. There you go, and then you can go ahead and select it and resize it, or just go ahead again and try to follow all of the recommended or some of the recommendeds here. Now another way is from YouTube or any other online platform. Now in order for us to get this done, we are going to click the insert once again, head over to media, video, and then online videos. Now this time what is going to happen is that we have the address bar here where we can put the link. So here are the supported video providers, so just go ahead and try to check each one of them. Now say for example we're gonna utilize YouTube here in this case. Now I'm just going to use this video here for example. I'm going to go ahead and open it, copy the link here, head over here and then paste it, click the insert button. After doing so, it should insert your video, and then you can go ahead and resize it, or then again use the designer here at the side. So yep, those are the ways in order for you to insert videos here in your PowerPoint. I hope this video helps you out, everybody.